like your tail.
He likes me.
Best dog ever.
A warm cup of tea is just what we need. There we go, all ready. The eggs are almost ready, dear. Breakfast is served. Would you like some more bread?
Yes, please. It looks delicious.
Can the dog have some too?
Of course.
Hee, look at him. He's staring at the food. Papa, let's go.
Look, the map.
Wow, it's real.
An adventure awaits.
Let's go right now.
Yeah.
Time to pack some treats for our picnic. The pies and grapes should be nice and sweet. There, all ready for a lovely day.
Wow, red, my favorite.
I want the yellow one.
Of course, here you are.
There we go, all set.
The rain sounds so nice today.
It does.
Let's open the door and see.
Good idea. Here we go.
Wow, it's so green and misty.
It is. Smell that fresh air.
Can we go to the stream? I'm gonna find a frog.
We'll see what we can find. This fog is like a dream, isn't it?
It's magical. I love these walks.
The dog likes it.
Look, children. Rain from the leaves.
It's beautiful, like a shower.
Wow, they're falling so fast. So pretty.
Let's watch them together.
Ready, set, jump. This is so much fun. Whee! Look at the splashes.
I'm making the biggest one.
Me too. This is the best day.
Wow, this bridge is cool.
It is.
Wow, look at that waterfall.
It's beautiful. Let's go play.
Yeah, and the dog loves the water.
Splash, splash, splash.
It's best day ever.
Look, everyone. A rainbow.
Wow, it's so pretty.
It's beautiful. We can all make a wish.
I wish we could see it every day.
Maybe we will, if we look.
What a lovely path home.
It is. The air is so fresh.
Look at the flowers. Here, a flower for you. It's so pretty. Thank you.
Almost home.
What a lovely walk that was.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
All right, let's get inside.
The fire looks so cozy.